Okay, this is called Birds of a Feather. Here I have the red card and the black card, both aces. Then I have, they have ace through 5, and I got all the red cards on this side and the black cards on this side. So, I have a total of 10 cards. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black cards right here and put them in front of the black ace. And the red cards I'm going to put in front of the red ace. Now, if I switch positions of the aces, just like birds of a feather, the cards magically change places too. Now if I switch places with these, just like before, if I switch places with these, just like before, and if I switch places with these, you guessed it, they switch places also. So, hence the saying, birds of a feather flock together.